And I got this 36-inch deck railing kit to share with you today. Comes with this really nice 63 powder coated aluminum. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install it. Let's go ahead and get going. Here's all those connectors and little screws that come along with it. We got the anchors or bolts that you could use to fix the railing down, or the posts there, as well as some covers and some top pieces. And there's the middle piece for the railing. And here we have the top and bottom of the railing. And then here's our little posts, which will be 4 inches apart from each other when we're done. Also, before I get going, I want to tell you that it would be nice to have a rubber mallet when you're doing this process to get the poles in the railing. And then also that you're going to use the thicker top rail. That's the thicker piece going to be on the top, and the thinner one will be at the bottom. Here you can see we have that product all installed together. It's fairly simple. It has that nice black matte finish, so it's UV resistant, weather resistant, waterproof, and scratch resistant as well. It came really nicely packaged when it came in the box. It had some stuff to help it from not to get scratched, but it also is scratch resistant. See that 4-inch gap between the poles there? Really nice. And that's suitable for your, to make sure nobody's gonna be slipping through there, so that's nice. 36 inches tall. So it's that standard deck size, and it's really nice. It's got all the pieces that you're gonna need. It's easy to do some cutting on it, so if you're a do-it-yourselfer, it's easy to do that as well. So that's a nice close-up of deck railing. Really beautiful matte finish, black. It's made out of that 6063 aluminum, powder coated, matte finish. Looks beautiful, rust resistant, weather resistant, corrosion resistant, so that's really nice. And there's also that scratch resistant. If you are looking for a different post kit, Guwezoy has different railing kits to choose from, so that's super nice. If you need another one of the same, they got you covered. So if you're looking for a really awesome deck railing kit, it's really easy to do it yourself, check this one out.